The Maya civilization developed sophisticated calendars and weather prediction methods to manage their agricultural cycles sustainably. They observed celestial movements, like Venus's cycles and lunar phases, and correlated them with seasonal rain patterns essential for maize and bean crops. This knowledge allowed them to time planting and harvesting to maximize yields and reduce crop failure risks. The Maya also engineered terraced fields and reservoirs to capture rainwater during dry periods. Their holistic integration of astronomy, ecology, and engineering ensured food security in a challenging tropical environment, demonstrating how ancient science and sustainability were intertwined. Like and subscribe for more ancient agricultural wisdom.